Welcome to third quiz of general studies. Let us see the first question. Which of the following is treated as artificial currency? We have options A. ADR, B. GDR, C. SDR, D. ADR and SDR. The right option is SDR because SDR refers to special drawing rights. It is also known as paper gold. It is created by IMF, International Monetary Fund. Its basket countries include US dollar, Japanese yen, pound sterling, and renminbi. Currency value is created daily as the dollar rate is created. Let us see the next question. Prataparudra Yashobhushanam was written by, we have options A. Vidyanatha, B. Ketana, C. Potana, D. Tikkana. The right option is A. Vidyanatha. Prataparudra, he is the last ruler of Kakatiya dynasty. He is also known as Rudradeva too, and he is the grandson of Rudramadevi, who is the first woman ruler of Andhra. Let us see the next question. The term ratooning is associated with dash crop. We have options A. Wheat, B. Sugarcane, C. Cotton, D. Tobacco. The right option is sugarcane. Ratooning is actually the process after first harvesting. The roots are not completely end. The roots will develop another shot which is known as ratoon. It gives rise to second crop. Let us see the fourth question. Harappa was located on the banks of Dash River. A. Cheeram, B. Chenab, C. Indus, D. Ravi. The right option is Ravi. Harappa should not be confused with Harappan civilization, which is also known as Indus Valley civilization, which is located on Indus River. But Harappa is a city located on Ravi River bank. It is a village, now village in eastern Punjab province, eastern Pakistan. It lies on the left bank of now dry course of the Ravi River. It is 100 miles away from the southwest of Lahore. Let us see the next question. Which of the following are the youngest folded mountains in the world? We have options A. Aravalis, B. Himalayas, C. Andes, D. Vindhyas. The right option is B. Himalayas. You can see in this pic how Himalayas are formed. These are folded mountains when two tectonic plates join together and they have created those mountains. These are very highest, youngest mountains. And these still the height of Himalayas are growing because the tectonic plates are still colliding each other. Let us see the next question. Sixth one. The popular dance form during Kakatiya period was A. Chinda, B. Yakshaganam, C. Perinis Shivatandavam, D. Kakati Keli. The right option is Perinis Shivatandavam. This dance is usually performed by males. It is the state dance of Telangana. It is also called as dance of warriors to encourage or to give inspiration to soldiers before they are going to war. This dance is performed at the Garbhagudi of Ramappa temple. You shall see the next question. Ujwala, the scheme of government of India, is meant for helping the victims of A. Trafficking, B. AIDS, C. Bonded labor, D. Natural calamities. The right option is trafficking. Kindly notice the spelling of Ujwala. It is to prevent the trafficking of women and children. And the components of this is rescuing the victims, women and children who are under trafficking, prevention of this trafficking, rehabilitation of rescued people, reintegration, and repatriation. So these are the components on which this scheme works. Next question. Chapchar Kut is Chapchar Kut is a festival celebrated in Dash. We have options A. Assam, B. Arunachal Pradesh, C. Mizoram, D. Sikkim. The right option is C. Mizoram. You can see how the people are dancing here. Chapchar Kut literally means the festival held during the period when the bamboos and trees that have been cut down are being awaited to dry to be burned for jamming. They actually, after the harvesting, they will burn all the plant remains. Later, the ashes are mixed up with the soil, and they believe that that kind of soil will is very fertile for other crop, next crop. So during this season, they will perform dance together, which is known as this Chapchar Kut. This is usually celebrated in during March. Let us see the next question. The well-known painting Bani Thani belongs to dash. We have options A. Bundi School, B. Jaipur School, C. Kanjia School, D. Kishangarh School. The right option is D. Kishangarh School. So this painting, what you are seeing in the picture, is also known as Mona Lisa of India. The painting conveys the passionate and romantic elements of the legend. This creates very intense feelings from the facial features. This style later became a standard beauty for all later paintings. I repeat, it is known as Indian Mona Lisa. Let us see the next question. Who composed Ramayana in Tamil? We have options Tirutakka Devadas, B. Jayagodar, C. Pavananath, D. Kamban. The right option is D. Kamban. The proposed Ramayana is called Kamba Ramayana. He is a born poet and a creative artist. He is also known as the Emperor of Poets, Kavi Chakravarti. He was very greatly portrayed Ramayana in Tamil. So that's all for today. Thanks for watching. Let us meet in the next quiz. Thank you.